Guys, one of the fastest ways to make money from the comfort of your home is to engage in micro tasks. And the best part about this micro task is that the platforms that offer these opportunities do not need you to have any degree or to be experienced in doing the job or to engage in any interview before you get started. All you have to do is just to make sure you have an internet connection and a smartphone or a laptop to get started. And the best part is all these tasks can take you around 5 minutes to 30 minutes to complete, and then you get to earn like $100 to $250 per task by just simply making yourself available to engage in this task. And the best part is most of the things you're going to see is an opportunity for you to share your experience using products or services and stuff like that. So to get started doing this type of job, all you have to do is just to go to these platforms I'm going to mention in this video. And the best part is these platforms are available in almost all the countries of the world, so you can stand a better chance to get involved with them and get started doing these jobs and of course get paid. So the first platform we're going to talk about is one that allows researchers to come and do their research using people that they may be needing for interviews or for online surveys and stuff like that. So they have people available to test their products or any of the things that they may be interested in researching on. So if you go to the platform, you can find things like paid research projects, paid user interviews, online focus groups, paid online surveys. So if you're interested in anyone, you can click on it to get started. So for this one that is paid research, you can find research that will pay you up to like $250, as you can see, and this one will last for 45 minutes, and you can see this one is for $100. It's going to last for 60 minutes. So in any one you're interested in, all you have to do is just to click on it, and then you're going to see the ones you want to do. If you want to do survey, you can click on survey, and you're going to see tons of surveys that you can engage in and any of the stuff that you may be interested in doing. And if you are interested to get started with them, you click here where it says get started, and then you're going to click as a participant because you're not carrying out a survey, so you are participating in the survey or the research that they're going to be carried out. That's the way you're going to earn money doing this job. And once you have clicked on it, you're going to see this form that you're going to fill to get started. So these jobs will pay you once you have completed the task that it has given to you, and most times they can pay you via PayPal or any other means that they may be stating there, so you know before you get started doing these jobs. So the next one we're going to talk about is another platform that is involved in AI support services for companies and organizations, and you can help with training AI, doing data annotation and labeling images, stuff like that, all those simple tasks, and of course online raters as well. So you can find these jobs on this platform. So the platform says that it can allow students or stay-at-home parents or retirees, anybody at all. They have opportunities for anybody, and you can come on board regardless of your background or your abilities. Once you are able to read and write, you are allowed to come on board and start working on this platform. So the platform has a crowd gen platform that enables remote workers to do their online tasks to improve AI. As you can see, this is what the web platform looks like, and they are available in 170 countries. They have paid over $157 million to their participants on this platform, and they have 265 languages available. So these are the type of jobs you can find: evaluating short form videos on social media platforms, evaluating search results on entertainment platforms and stuff like this. These are the type of jobs you have. So if you want to get to learn more, you can start with them by checking out the openings they have. Then you follow the email instructions that you will be given to set up your account. Then you pass the qualifications that you're going to be given. Of course, you will be given a study guide to help you to pass this qualification, and of course you work on your own schedule. So to find out the jobs that are available here, you can click here where it says earn remotely, and then you're going to see the jobs that are available here. You can see there are different locations that are available here. There is Germany, there's United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, a lot of other countries. So you just have to take your time to look for the one that is available in your country and that you can do to get started doing these jobs. And the name of the platform is Appen, and they are quite popular. You can find a lot of jobs on that platform. They also have some field jobs depending on what your location offers once you go onto the website to check based on your location, so you might want to check it out. So the next one is one that is into tech support and customer related services, and they're always having jobs, different types of jobs that are looking for people to come on board to do this job. I've actually mentioned this platform before, and if you come onto the platform, you can see this map, and then you can see the places where they are available. For Africa, they are available in Southern Africa and North Africa as well. So if you're in South Africa, you might want to check this out. They have a lot of jobs that you can check out, and to get started, you just apply here, and then you take the assessments they're going to give you, and then you do the interview that they are going to give you, just to know about your knowledge about the job that you're going to be coming on board to do. And of course, afterwards, you're going to be given these jobs. So to know about the jobs that are available on this platform, all you have to do is just to click here where it says all jobs, and then you can see the jobs that they are available here. Now you can search depending on the type of job that you have in mind, and then you're going to see the available position come out once it has processed it. And here you can see personalized internet ad accessors for different locations. There's Romania, there's Israel, there's Finland, Iceland, a lot of other countries, and you can keep going because they have more pages here that you can keep going to check to know if there is one available in your country. Then you can make your own application. Now you have to know that this particular platform that I mentioned now is quite different because they have interview processes. What it means is that you have to have some skills to be able to do the jobs, and of course you have to know the type of job you want to do before you start making your search, so you can find it and make your application. So the name of the platform is TELUS Digital, so you might want to check it out. Like I used to do, I'm going to leave the link to all these platforms in the comment section, so when you see, just comment seen so that I know that you have seen it. So moving on, the next platform I want to talk about is another place where they gather pool of microtask workers. You can find a lot of jobs on this platform, things like AI training, surveys, voice recording, and photo contests. They have photo contests they have on this platform that you can engage in. So if you come to the platform, this is basically what it looks like, and you can see they wrote make money from anywhere at any time. They have strong community that they have built that you can join, and once you're on board, you can have access to the jobs that they have here available. So the good thing is you can actually do this with your phone, because all these platforms, they have apps that you can download to get started using them to work, and you can do simple tasks like I mentioned, including surveys, to get started on this platform. So if you come here, you can see that they don't need any formal qualification for you to get started working, and I have to issue trainings that will help anybody that is a newbie to blend in to start working with them on this platform. And they have different types of jobs that you can do. So to get started working with them on this platform, you can just sign up here where it says sign up, and you can fill this form. They have 3 steps for you to take before you get signed up on the platform. So once you're done, you can click on continue to finish up setting up your account, and once you're done, you can start getting tasks, because they're going to be sending you tasks when they are available for you to start doing. So on the average on this platform, you can earn anywhere from $10 to $25 per hour doing some of these micro tasks on this platform. And of course, you can join the contests they have there, and hopefully you can stand a chance to earn even more money. So you might want to check it out. The name of the platform is clickworker.com. So now, if you've seen value so far on this video, please take a time out, like and subscribe to this channel. We are on our road to having 6,000 subscribers. We are grateful to all of you that have been supporting this channel in one way or the other. We really appreciate you all. So moving on, the next one is another one that allows you to do user testing and product testing and surveys, research, stuff like that, like the previous one I mentioned. And on this platform, anyone is allowed to participate in the surveys and researches that they carry out on this platform. All you have to do to be a part of it is just by signing up on the platform, and then you're going to be getting surveys and tasks that you can be doing to be making money from the comfort of your home. So if you come to the platform, you can see it says get paid to test. Then you can boost your monthly income for free. So as you can see, it does not really require much. All you have to do is just to apply, and to apply you have to submit your email and take a quick practice test to join the global network. And of course, you can browse the jobs that they have available once you are done, because you're allowed to do any type of job that you wish to do on this platform. And then once you're done, you take the test, and you get paid once you have completed the test. So you can get something like surveys and recorded tests, like you can speak through your screen, because they have recorded tests and they have live tests that you can do. And all it means is that you have to have your gadgets, like you have to have a camera if you're using a laptop, and of course you have to have an earpiece so that you can be heard easily once you start doing this test. So depending on which one you are available to do, you can sign up for it, because you're allowed to choose. And of course, these are the companies that you work for. So if you're interested in working with this platform, you just have to know that you have to have a PayPal account, because they will process your payment within 14 days. And the payment varies depending on the test you're going to be doing. So but on the average, you can earn anywhere from $10 to $50 per hour, depending on the test you are going to be doing and the duration of that test. So you have to make sure you have a PayPal account before you get started working with this platform. And hopefully you're going to get the ones that would suit you and that you can be able to participate in. So you might want to check this out. So if you're looking for typing jobs that you can do from the comfort of your home, you might want to check out this video showing on your screen. Please don't fail to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.